Embarking on a photography business is an exciting endeavor, as it allows you to pursue your passion while creating a sustainable livelihood. However, the path to success in the photography industry is rarely an overnight phenomenon. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a strategic approach to turn your passion into a thriving business. In this article, we will delve into the realities of building a successful photography business and provide insights into the journey ahead. Nurturing success in your photography business and how to do it. 1. Building a strong foundation. Success in photography is a multifaceted journey that demands dedication and perseverance. Building a thriving photography business hinges on establishing a robust foundation that encompasses a myriad of elements. To excel in this competitive field, aspiring photographers must not only possess a keen eye for aesthetics, but also a solid grasp of technical skills. Mastering the intricacies of camera settings, lighting techniques, and post-processing methods is crucial for producing high-quality images that stand out in a saturated market. Understanding photography techniques is essential for capturing compelling visuals that resonate with viewers. From composition principles to framing strategies, photographers must continuously refine their craft to convey their artistic vision effectively. Embracing experimentation and pushing boundaries can lead to the creation of unique and captivating photographs that set you apart from the crowd. Staying abreast of the industry's trends and demands is paramount for success in photography. The field of photography is dynamic, with styles and preferences evolving constantly. By immersing yourself in the latest trends, technologies, and client expectations, you can tailor your work to meet current market needs and stay ahead of the curve. 2. Defining your niche. Identifying a niche within the vast and diverse field of photography is a pivotal strategy that can significantly impact your success as a photographer. By honing in on a specific genre, whether it be wedding photography, portraits, landscapes, or commercial photography, you are not only defining your unique style, but also carving out a distinct identity in a crowded market. Specialization enables you to concentrate your efforts, refine your skills, and become an authority in your chosen area of expertise. When you focus on a particular niche, you have the opportunity to delve deep into the nuances and intricacies of that genre. This depth of knowledge allows you to deliver exceptional results, cater to the specific needs and preferences of clients, and ultimately stand out from the competition. Clients seeking a photographer for a particular type of project are more likely to choose someone who specializes in that area, as they perceive them to have the requisite experience and expertise. Specializing in a niche provides you with the chance to build a strong reputation within a targeted market. As you consistently deliver high-quality work within your specialized field, you establish yourself as a go-to expert in that genre. This reputation not only attracts more clients who are looking for your specific skill set, but also fosters trust and credibility among your existing clientele. 3. Developing a unique style. While technical skills undoubtedly form the foundation of a photographer's craft, the true essence of artistry lies in the development of a unique and unmistakable style. This style serves as a visual fingerprint, distinguishing one photographer from another in a crowded field. To cultivate this distinctive aesthetic, one must delve deep into the realms of creativity and experimentation. By exploring diverse creative approaches, photographers can push the boundaries of their art, transcending conventional norms to create images that are not just captured but crafted. Experimentation with editing techniques plays a pivotal role in shaping this artistic identity. From subtle tweaks to radical transformations, the editing process offers a canvas for photographers to infuse their work with a personal touch. By honing their skills in post-processing and mastering the nuances of different editing tools, photographers can elevate their images to new heights, imbuing them with a sense of individuality and flair. The quest for a signature style is a journey of self-discovery and artistic evolution. It involves a continuous process of introspection, refinement, and innovation. 4. Building a professional portfolio. Creating a strong portfolio is essential for any photographer looking to establish a successful career. It serves as a visual resume that not only showcases your technical skills, but also conveys your artistic vision and style. By curating a collection of your best work, you have the opportunity to demonstrate your ability to capture moments, convey emotions, or showcase products effectively. When selecting images for your portfolio, choose those that best represent your unique style and creative perspective. Consider including a variety of subjects and styles to showcase the breadth of your capabilities. Each image should tell a story and evoke a specific emotion, leaving a lasting impression on anyone who views your portfolio. It's important to regularly update your portfolio with new work to reflect your growth and development as a photographer. This shows potential clients that you are continuously honing your craft and staying current with industry trends. By keeping your portfolio fresh and relevant, you demonstrate your commitment to excellence and your willingness to adapt to new challenges and opportunities. 5. Marketing and branding. Success in the photography industry is not solely determined by the quality of your work, but also by how effectively you market and brand yourself. To thrive in this competitive field, it is crucial to develop a strong brand identity that resonates with your vision and connects with your target audience. This involves creating a cohesive visual identity, including a logo, color palette, and overall aesthetic that sets you apart from others. In today's digital age, establishing a robust online presence is essential for photographers. A well-designed website serves as your online portfolio and a hub for potential clients to explore your work. Social media platforms offer a powerful tool to showcase your photography, engage with followers, and attract new clients. By consistently sharing high-quality content and engaging with your audience, you can build a loyal following and increase your visibility. Engaging with online photography communities can also be beneficial for networking, learning from others, and gaining exposure. Participating in forums, online groups, and photography competitions can help you connect with like-minded individuals and potential clients. Additionally, collaborating with other professionals in the industry can open up new opportunities and expand your reach. To ensure that your online presence is optimized for search engines, implementing SEO techniques is crucial. By optimizing your website with relevant keywords, meta tags, and high-quality content, you can improve your visibility in search engine results and attract more organic traffic to your site. 6. Networking and collaboration. Building relationships within the industry is crucial for the growth and success of your photography business. By actively participating in photography workshops, conferences, and local events, you not only have the chance to showcase your work, but also to establish meaningful connections with like-minded individuals. These interactions can lead to valuable collaborations, partnerships, and referrals that can significantly boost your career. Attending industry events provides you with the opportunity to network with fellow photographers, potential clients, and industry professionals. Engaging in conversations, sharing experiences, and exchanging ideas can help you gain insights into the latest trends, techniques, and technologies in the field of photography. Moreover, these interactions can also lead to mentorship opportunities, where you can learn from seasoned professionals and further enhance your skills. Collaborating with other creatives, such as models, makeup artists, or stylists, can be mutually beneficial. Working together on projects not only allows you to create stunning visual content, but also helps you expand your network and reach a wider audience. Additionally, collaborating with professionals from different areas of expertise can bring fresh perspectives and innovative ideas to your work, pushing you to explore new creative horizons. 7. Delivering exceptional customer service. Word-of-mouth recommendations are a powerful tool that can truly make or break a photography business. When clients are impressed with your work and overall service, they are more likely to share their positive experiences with others. This organic form of marketing not only helps in attracting new clients, but also in building a strong reputation in the industry. To ensure that your photography business thrives on word-of-mouth referrals, it is essential to go above and beyond in every aspect of your service. Providing exceptional customer service should be a top priority. This means being responsive to inquiries, addressing concerns promptly, and making the entire process as smooth and enjoyable as possible for your clients. Exceeding your clients' expectations is key to leaving a lasting impression. This can be achieved by delivering high-quality work that showcases your creativity and skills. Strive to not only meet but surpass what your clients envision, making them feel valued and appreciated. Maintaining professionalism at all times is non-negotiable. From your initial contact with a client to the final delivery of your work, professionalism should be evident in every interaction. This includes being punctual, organized, and respectful of your client's time and preferences. Building positive client relationships is another crucial aspect of generating word-of-mouth referrals. Take the time to get to know your clients personally, understand their needs and preferences, and tailor your services accordingly. By fostering a strong connection with your clients, you are more likely to earn their trust and loyalty, leading to repeat business and referrals. 8. Continuous learning and adaptation. The photography industry is a dynamic field that continuously undergoes transformations driven by technological advancements and creative innovations. In order to thrive in this ever-evolving landscape, it is crucial for photographers to remain proactive in their pursuit of knowledge and skills. By embracing a mindset of lifelong learning, photographers can position themselves at the forefront of the industry. One way to stay abreast of the latest developments in photography is by participating in workshops and seminars. These events provide valuable opportunities to learn from industry experts, exchange ideas with peers, and gain hands-on experience with new techniques and equipment. Additionally, taking online courses can offer a convenient and flexible way to expand one's knowledge base and master new skills. Staying updated with the latest gear and software is essential for photographers looking to maintain a competitive edge. As technology continues to evolve, photographers must be willing to adapt their tools and workflows to leverage the benefits of cutting-edge equipment and software solutions. By embracing change and being open to experimentation, photographers can discover new creative possibilities and enhance the quality of their work.